going back just one step with the Baby Buddy line is our oral care kit. So our oral care kit we put together to have something substantial for the dental professional that gives a new parent everything they need for oral care for the first 1.5 to 2 years of a child's life. So it comes with a 30 count pack of the mouth tissues. It comes with all 3 of the silicone toothbrushes, and it comes with the first stage of the baby, or the Brilliant Bristle toothbrushes, the baby brush. So it's a great baby shower gift. It also goes really well with our Sugar Bugs book. If you haven't seen this before, this is a great book in combination together. What better than a cute little oral care bundle from a dental professional to your friends or anybody that you know that's expecting or becoming a new parent.